Hey, out here in Meadows at Greenfield today, I'm Dylan Fry, the real estate guy. I am going to show you this house we've got on the market right now. You're going to want to come check it out. We're going to be doing an open house this weekend. You're going to see those links below. Now, let's check out the outside of this house. You've got that stone veneer and everything, but one thing that you're going to want to check out on this house is you're going to want to stick around till the end so that you can check out the hot tub. Over a $7,000 upgrade. You're going to love this thing. Come check out the inside of the house. Hey, so now that we're inside, check out this living area. You like to entertain people? We're going to check out the kitchen in just a second. There's plenty of room in here, but look at this fireplace. You want to get cozy? The cool thing about this house is they've got two. We're going to go check the other one out here in just a little bit. Now, you like to chill in the living room and have guests over? You like to entertain? Maybe you've got game night. Check out this living room that flows right into the dining area and the kitchen. We've got the custom countertops. We've also got all of these built-in features into the woodworking. You've got plenty of storage. We've also got some great lighting in here. It really sets the mood. You're gonna wanna check this kitchen out. You can be working over here. You can be preparing your food over here. This kitchen is awesome. It's perfectly set up so that everything flows really well. Now you got a big family and you're having everybody in for the holidays. That's awesome because you've got people set up here on the counter. You can be having your dinner and preparing everything over there. And then you've also got plenty of dining space here in the dining area. And then even if it's warm out, you can head on outside. We'll check out the back porch. Now, like we were talking about entertaining inside, you've got plenty of room outside. We're going to check out downstairs where the hot tub is. But if you've got people inside, you can push some of them outside if you get a little overfull in there. Although there's plenty of space everywhere, we've got plenty of room to entertain out here on the back porch as well. Now, this house features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. We've got 2 bathrooms upstairs, one's attached to the master. Let's go in here and check it out. So this is the master bedroom. You've got the rim lighting up top. That way when you're in here late at night and you maybe you want to set the mood, we've got that lighting up there. You've also got the natural lighting in here for early mornings, making sure you get up, get a little bit of sun to get your day started. And then you flow right in here to the master bathroom. This master bathroom has a his and hers sink, so that way you guys can both get ready in the morning. And then we've also got this bathtub that's got the jets on it, so that way you can sit in there. You had a long stressful day at work, you're going to be able to come in here, sit down, relax, turn the jets on, and have yourself a nice evening, maybe a nice glass of wine. And then you've also got your stand-up shower for when you're getting ready in the mornings. Now that you've checked out the master bedroom, we're going to take a quick peek inside the other 2 bedrooms, and then we're going to head downstairs to check out what that living area looks like in the basement. So one thing I love about this house is as you're walking down the stairs, one thing about going downstairs is sometimes people are like, it's dark. But check out these windows going down these steps. Plenty of natural lighting coming into this house. This homeowner has gotten this place so prepared for you to make it your next home. They went in and fully finished this basement so that when you buy this home, you're going to be able to entertain all your family and friends. Check out this living room. You've got the fireplace, you've got the TV hung up on the mantle, and then you've got the nice finishes in here as well. The fresh carpet looking awesome. You've got some area over here so that you can have a card table, maybe have some games, be hanging out, everything like that. Let's check out the guest bedroom so that if you have some guests in, you're going to get to see what that's going to look like for them. You've got guests in town, maybe some family came in. You can stick them down here and they be able to flow right out to the living area, and you all will have a great time entertaining anybody. Let's talk about some other features. We've seen the upstairs, we've seen the downstairs, all the room that they have to entertain. The other thing is they thought of everything when they built this house. They've got plenty of storage. They've got extra bathrooms that are have high-end finishes. Let's go outside. We're going to check out that prize feature, that hot tub that you're going to be able to relax in after you've had a long week at work. Check out this beautiful view of the back porch. We've got plenty of area to entertain if that's your thing, or if you just want to chill in the hot tub, come check this thing out. oh, we've got the bubbles going. It is ready for you. You come get in this thing, you're gonna have the time of your life. Now, I'm Dylan Fry, the real estate guy, and I know you're thinking about moving to the Kansas City area, and maybe you're looking out here in Meadows at Greenfield. If you want, go check out our video on Meadows at Greenfield. It'll tell you the additional features, let you see some other houses in the area. But one cool thing about this neighborhood is they have a neighborhood pool as well. So if you're thinking about moving out here to Meadows at Greenfield, hit me up today. Maybe we can get you in here to this house. Then if you're really interested, come check us out on the open house this weekend. And if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and then hit that bell for any notifications of future houses, future neighborhoods, or any future interviews that we do with local business people.